dancehall artist Vybz Kartel, whose given name is Adeja Palmer, remains in police custody this evening.
God say to me, giving up pain in me. Sometimes the going seems rough, but still don't give up.
Striving for a winning situation.
People have to come out.
Them shall let go man, free romance, man. John Rose stop, we have a cry.
Keep your head up high. You see how hard the wicked them a try. Remember God is standing by. He'll save you from the stormy night.
A discrepancy in relation to the time of one of the damning text messages used to convict dancehall entertainer Vybz Kartel of murder has left the judges hearing his appeal puzzled.
Oh God, God set me free, 'cause I take my troubles to thee.